Welcome to Smart Mind Quiz, the ultimate test of your knowledge on environment and ecology. Let's learn, explore, and make a positive impact on our beautiful planet together.
What is the primary source of energy for Earth's ecosystem? Wind, solar energy, geothermal energy. The right answer is solar energy. What is the main cause of the greenhouse effect? Water vapor, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. Answer is carbon dioxide. What term describes the variety of all living organisms on Earth? Biodiversity, sustainability, ecology. The answer is biodiversity. What process do plants use to convert sunlight into food? Photosynthesis, respiration, fermentation. Right answer is photosynthesis. What is the term for organisms that break down dead organic matter? Consumers, producers, decomposers. It is decomposers. Which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. The answer is nitrogen. What is the primary reason for deforestation? Agriculture, urbanization, industrialization. Answer is agriculture. What type of organism can produce its own food through photosynthesis? Herbivores, producers, carnivores. Right answer is producers. Which of the following is a renewable energy source? Coal, solar, oil. The right answer is solar. What is the main cause of coral reef destruction? Overfishing, ocean acidification, coastal development. Right answer is ocean acidification. What is the term for the warming of Earth's climate due to human activity? Greenhouse effect, global warming, ozone depletion. The answer is global warming. What is the largest contributor to global deforestation? Logging, mining, agriculture. The right answer is agriculture. Which biome has the greatest biodiversity? Tundra, tropical rainforest, deserts. The answer is tropical rainforest. What is the process by which water vapor becomes liquid? Precipitation, evaporation, condensation. The right answer is condensation. Which of the following gases contributes most to acid rain? Methane, nitrogen oxide, carbon dioxide. Right answer is nitrogen oxide. What is the term for the gradual increase in Earth's average temperature? Climate change, greenhouse effect, global warming. Answer is global warming. Which layer of the atmosphere contains the ozone layer? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere. Right answer is stratosphere. What type of species is critical to the health of its ecosystem? Apex predator, keystone species, invasive species. Answer is keystone species. What is the primary cause of ocean acidification? Overfishing, plastic pollution, carbon dioxide emissions. Right answer is carbon dioxide emissions. Which of the following contributes most to desertification? Soil erosion, deforestation, water scarcity, It is deforestation. What term describes species that are not native to a particular environment? Endemic species, exotic species, invasive species. Answer is invasive species. What is the process called when fertile land becomes desert? Desertification, deforestation, erosion. Right answer is desertification. Which of the following is a consequence of deforestation? Decreased biodiversity, increased oxygen levels, reduced erosion. Answer is decreased biodiversity. What is the main cause of the depletion of the ozone layer? Methane emissions, chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, carbon dioxide emissions. Right answer is chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. What is the most common type of pollution in the ocean? Chemical pollution, noise pollution, plastic pollution. Answer is plastic pollution. What is the term for species at risk of extinction? Endemic, endangered, exotic. The right answer is endangered. What is the main source of air pollution in urban areas? Transportation, agriculture, deforestation. Right answer is transportation. Which of the following ecosystems stores the most carbon? Grasslands, oceans, forests. The right answer is forests. What type of energy is generated by the movement of wind? Solar, geothermal, wind. Right answer is wind. What is the largest source of freshwater pollution? Agricultural runoff, urban runoff, oil spills. Answer is agricultural runoff. Which of the following is an example of a non-renewable resource? Wind, coal, solar. Right answer is coal. Which of the following ecosystems has the highest net primary productivity? Desert, tundra, rainforest. The right answer is rainforest. What term refers to the variety of ecosystems in a given area? Genetic diversity, species diversity, ecosystem diversity. Right answer is ecosystem diversity. What is the process by which plants lose water vapor through their leaves? Transpiration, evaporation, condensation. It is transpiration. Which type of ecosystem is characterized by very little rainfall? Wetlands, tundra, desert. The answer is desert. What is the largest reservoir of carbon on Earth? Oceans, atmosphere, forests. The right answer is oceans. What is the primary driver of species extinction today? Natural disasters, human activity, climate cycles. It is human activity. What is the main function of wetlands? Water purification, providing food sources, preventing erosion. The answer is water purification. Which of the following is considered a greenhouse gas? Oxygen, methane, nitrogen. Right answer is methane. What is the term for animals that feed on both plants and animals? Herbivores, omnivores, carnivores. Answer is omnivores. Which of the following contributes to eutrophication in water bodies? Plastic waste, agricultural fertilizers, noise pollution. Right answer is agricultural fertilizers. What is the term for the role and position a species has in its environment? Habitat, niche, trophic level. The right answer is niche. What is the primary component of smog in urban areas? Carbon monoxide, ozone, sulfur dioxide. Right answer is ozone. Which of the following best describes the term biome? A specific species, a large ecosystem, a food chain. It is a large ecosystem. What type of organism occupies the lowest level of a food chain? Producers, carnivores, decomposers. Answer is producers. Which of the following human activities has the greatest impact on biodiversity? Industrial pollution, habitat destruction, space exploration. Right answer is habitat destruction. What is the process by which plants convert carbon dioxide into oxygen? Respiration, photosynthesis, transpiration. It is photosynthesis. What is the term for the area where fresh water from rivers meets salt water from the sea? Estuary, delta, wetland. Right answer is estuary. What is the main goal of conservation biology? To increase human development, to conserve natural resources, to protect endangered species. Answer is to protect endangered species. Which of the following is a consequence of climate change? Increased biodiversity, rising sea levels, lower temperatures. Right answer is rising sea levels.
Thanks for tuning in to Smart Mind Quiz. Stay curious, stay smart, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting quizzes.